Hello, I'm Michael O'Donnell, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Leica 10-25mm f1.7. Now this comes from the collaboration between Panasonic and Leica, and we've seen some of the best lenses come from this collaboration. So essentially what you're getting with this lens is a full-frame equivalent of 20-50, which is great because it covers pretty much all your prime lens focal lengths. But the real star of the show is the f1.7 throughout the zoom range. So with this lens being a flagship model, you're getting great weather sealing for all kinds of weather. The lens also has a clutch mechanism for focusing, so you can go from autofocus to manual focus very quickly, and it has hard stops on either end. So another great feature that Leica has added to this lens is this aperture ring here, from 1.7 to 16, and it's declicked, which is great for especially videographers, but photographers the same. So let's just address the elephant in the room, and that is that this lens is by no means micro, as the mount would suggest. It weighs in at 690 grams with an 87.6mm diameter at its widest point and 128mm long. But that varies depending on what zoom length you're at. But despite all those numbers, including the 9 diaphragm blades, this lens is gorgeous and it produces some amazing images. So who is this lens for? It's for the street photographer for its zoom range and its wide aperture. It's for the wedding photographer for that creamy bokeh. But it's really for anyone who wants to get the best lens for Micro Four Thirds. If you're interested in checking out this lens or picking one up, go to thepixelconnection.com. Thank you for watching.